Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover a testnet airdrop that you should do. Some testnet have been paying a lot like Taiko and Zeta chain, and we cover those and many others that are active with the possibility of great rewards. But this project is going to be huge, supported by Binance and with more than 40 million in funding. We are talking about Movement. I already covered this project on the Devnet stage and they launched it at the end of July, the new testnet that you can start participating right now. So like always in my videos, I'm going to explain a little bit about that, and we go step by step with everything that you need to do in detail. So if you are new into airdrops, you are going to be able to follow all the steps with the video and apply for this airdrop. Well, Movement Labs is a network of modular move-based blockchains. They raised 41.4 million in funding, and you can confirm that here at CryptoRank. But one thing that is very important about this information is that in May of this year, Binance Lab entered as an investor. They already have in April Polychain, OKX and other VCs, but with Binance as a VC, always this kind of project explode, and of course they are going to be launched probably directly in Binance too. And you know, when a token is listed in Binance, they usually explode in price action. And these 41.4 millions are not counting the amount of money that Binance invested. We don't know that information, so probably they put a couple of millions, and we are talking about around 50 or more on funding for this project. So it's not to take it lightly, it's a very important project, and the testnet just started, and it's going to be an incentivized testnet, because all over the place on the testnet you see that these quests and rewards are going to be movement rewards in the future. And remember that because it's a testnet, this is free to do, you are not going to spend any money. Like I mentioned, I already covered Movement Labs early when they were in the devnet, so if you want to check this and see if you can still apply to this, you can follow these steps on this video. All the information of this Excel file, you will find it in the first link of the description that is going to send you to my post with all the details. So let's go directly to the step by step of this tutorial. The step 1 is that you need to go to this website. This is the official testnet of Movement. After you go to the URL, you will see a couple of pop-ups that will give you information about the testnet. But basically this is super interactive, and what you are going to need to do is go here to the quest and start interacting with different quests. So the point 2 is completing quests to earn resources. Is how you can help to build the Parthenon, and is your key to future movement rewards. Quests are organized by guilds, and each guild focuses on different skill sets. So choose the ones that you fit you best, and let's build this together. So the different guilds are the Pathfinders, Creators, Schoolers, Explorers and Masons. So these are the categories that this is divided. So when you go here to the testnet and go to the quest, you can see on the left side the filters for the different guilds. So let's say that I want to do the task for the Spartans, so just click that and you will see only those tasks. I have to say guys that there are many tasks here. It's like 50 tasks per guild, but one important information was told on the official Discord announcement, that you only need to have to complete 10% of quests in one guild to gain recognition and resources. If you want to earn more resources in any of the guilds, you can complete 10%, 25%, 50%, 70% or 90% to earn tier 5, 4, 3 or 2 or tier 1. So these numbers may change week to week, but the first milestone will always be only 10%. So if you go here and for the first guild you do the 10% of the task, then you are already qualified for the possible airdrop. Of course, if you have the time to dedicate to this testnet and complete everything, you will be of course in a better position. So after you complete one guild, you can just unclick and go to another. And again, each guild has their own particularities, it's not all the same. For example, Explorers, you need to follow the launch app, download the launch app, you need to take the launch quiz, so it's not super difficult. Here you need to join the Movement Discord. So on Explorers it's more easy because it's more social stuff. The creators is a little bit harder. Schoolers, you have many quizzes to do, see tutorials and get some roles on Discord and more. So the guilds are organized here. You also can see your progress on this tab. So here you will see how many tasks you completed from each of the guilds. You can see there are 51 on this one, 51, 160 and 35. Remember, you need to complete at least 10% on each to be participating. You also can see the Spartan quest ordered by the different projects. So if I go here, I can participate on this competition. These Spartan quests are different than the guild quests. So just check on each of the projects and you can go and, for example, for Eclon, borrow any asset, supply any asset, transact on Elcom for 7 days. So these are going to be tasks that you do in the specific apps. So quests and Spartan quests are the things that you need to do. Now, another important things, the point 3, because apps that use Aptos Move, Sui Move and ABM are on the testnet, you will need to use different addresses and potentially different wallets when testing out apps. So this means that you cannot do all the testnet only with your MetaMask, for example. This project is running right now in the 3 different chains, so you will need your wallet for Aptos, for Sui and an ABM. If you want to read more information about all this wallet situation, go to that link, and here you have all the information about the wallets for the Parthenon. But yeah, basically if you have those 3 wallets, you are going to be able to interact with everything. So the point 4, like I mentioned, complete the Spartan guild quest and earn resources as you test these apps. That is different than the guild quest. You can also download Razor, Pontem and Nightly wallets for the Spartan apps, and for ABM apps, MetaMask is also available. Each app will use either one of these wallets to track one on-chain identity via Galaxy. So use your favorite apps to earn rewards for the Movement network as well as the respective app. You may be asking, well, if I need to use 3 wallets, how they know that I have been doing the task? And that is the point 5, which is super important. You need to make sure that you bind the wallets into your Galaxy profile. To log into the application of Movement, you do it with Galaxy. So when you are here, you can see that I can log out and I can connect again using Galaxy. So to do the airdrop here, you need to log in with Galaxy and authorize everything. So that is why that they are going to know your wallets and which one has been interacting. So if you want to do this, let's go to the Galaxy application, and here you have your profile. So click here to see your profile, and then you can see this that says binding addresses. Just click there. Right now I only have an ABM wallet here, but you can click on add address, for example for Aptos, then select which of the wallets you are using, click connect, confirm and accept that you are connecting to Galaxy, sign here the petition, and you can see now I have Aptos too. So you have Sui here, so do that with Sui, and then your 3 wallets will be here already linking to your Galaxy profile, and you're fine doing this airdrop. Now that you understand everything, you also can get Faucet tokens for this testnet. Here is the link for the Faucet, and you can see you have the Aptos Move Faucet, ABM and the Sui Move. So here you can put your ABM address, click the captcha, click on get move, and you can see founded what move. So do the same for Aptos Move with your Aptos address and for Sui. And here you have some mock tokens for the 3 networks: USDC, USDT, wrap Bitcoin, wrap Ethereum, or all. So do the same, just click all, let's say ABM, connect your wallet, in this case a MetaMask, select here ABM, approve, so you can add this network to your MetaMask, and now you just need to click on mint. Confirm the transaction. Remember, you will need to pay with Move tokens, and you should be set already to receive all that. And you can do this with Aptos and Sui too. So be sure to get all your Faucet tokens. The cool thing is that you don't need to wait 24 hours. I just claim, for example, you can see here on my MetaMask 4 moves directly on the same time. So just keep claiming so you don't have to claim all the time. After you complete the captcha, you can see that another move was sent, and if I check my MetaMask again, I have now 5. So get at least 10 here. Do the same with Aptos and Sui, so you are up to date with your faucet in case that at some point this is not working for the amount of people doing the airdrop. Well, point 7 is the official link to the Discord announcement. I already covered it here. Remember, for Quest you only need to do the 10% to be qualified for the airdrop, but of course if you do more, you will be in a better tier position. And the point 8 is to complete some previous Galaxy campaign of Movement. This has been here from a while. This is a study of the Movement. It's the only one that is still available. So it's really easy. You will get 100 points here, 5 points here for joining the Movement community and for visiting the Movement page and doing a very quick quiz. This is also going to be part of the quest. So here you are doing this Galaxy campaign that will help you also on the airdrop. Well guys, that is all for this Testnet airdrop for now. Remember to follow Movement in all the social medias, and if you have any questions, of course you can join my private Discord where we are going to be following up this airdrop closely, and I have an airdrop application where you can sign up and directly start applying to the different tasks of this Movement airdrop using my app. And of course, because it's a testnet, you can do it with multiple wallets, even if you are going to need 3 per wallet. So that makes it a little bit difficult to farm, but my application is going to save you 40 to 50% of all your airdrop work that you do constantly. And if you want to know what airdrops I am doing and how is my strategy with the benefit of my application and my Discord, I invite you to see this video that is appearing right now here. I will be 100% transparent. You will see it in that video everything that I am doing as an airdrop hunter and why I have been able to make money constantly now that I have already 2 years in this shop. That will be all guys. This is a Testnet airdrop that you should do, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.